guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to do a holiday edition. So here's my Christmas tree, and I know most people think that your Christmas tree has to be green or white because those are the normal Christmas colors, but as you can see, my Christmas tree is black, and most of my ornaments are white and gold. I have some silver ones, and then I normally do like a different color pop every year. This year I have like the pink. And I really like to get large ornaments because it kind of takes over the tree, and I just kind of stick them in there with like different like twigs and stuff. You can buy all these at different places after Christmas and get a way better discount than if you were to get them before. So like several of these are from At Home is a great place. Hobby Lobby has all the Christmas stuff 50% off. The Gallery, and I just like to mix and match them. And another thing I want to talk about for holiday is you can do your wrapping paper and you can do them in themes. So like here's one coordinate where I have like black and gold with black, silver, and stripes, and you can make all your packages and wrap them in a color theme, and it just adds that extra special feel with like a bow on it. And then, you know, here's again a different color scheme with the rose gold, the gold, and the black. And again, none of these are red or green like the traditional Christmas colors, but they are holiday and fancy, and that's what you want. You want to find different things to make it your own. And I got all these for sale at Home Goods after the holidays. So like this roll, it's thick, was $2.99. So they have all specials. You can get them after, so if you pick your color that you want the prior year, you could save yourself a lot of money and have it for next year and do something different and add to your collection. One other thing I wanted to touch on is how garland does not have to be green, because people think it has to be green or white, and it does not. So mine is like a champagne color, as you can see, and I have gold and silver and pine cones in it, and it looks festive with all the rest of my decor, all matching my color scheme, but it is not green, red, or white. And I just wanted to make sure I point that out because everyone thinks Christmas and holiday has to be those colors, and it doesn't. I also want to talk about how you can make a Christmas wreath for simple and very cheap. I purchased this plain wreath at Home for $9.99, and then I just got some snow spray and I sprayed it. You can make it as white as you want. Mine just has a little bit of a touch of white on it. And then I purchased the pine cones and the different little icicles and flowers and things from actually the dollar store, and you can get it from like their fake flower section, and I just kind of pieced them together. Got a hot glue gun, stuck them in there wherever I wanted, bought a little Merry Christmas sign from Hobby Lobby, and I made my Christmas wreath. It's super simple. You don't have to buy the ones that are like $50, $60 that are already made. You can make your own and personalize it. If you want different colors, you can add that. You can add flowers. You can add ribbon, whatever you want. It's actually really simple to make, and it's fun, and you have it every year. Okay, so another thing I want to talk about is my fancy reindeers. I got these reindeers at the Gallery the day after Christmas, like 3 years ago on their sale. They do all their holiday stuff 60 to 75% off. So these are originally like $140 to $160, and I got them for about $40 to $50. And they're a great size, they're tall, they're big, and I love them. And it's just one other thing to not forget your fireplace, especially if you use it like I use mine. It just is a way to add more holiday and spruce it up, and they're fun. And like I said, if you want to save money and you're on a budget, you could definitely purchase things the day after Christmas. Everywhere has amazing sales, and they put all their holiday stuff on sale. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope all of you enjoy, and remember to live just fancier.